Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your internet and physical connections so you don't chase ghosts. Reboot the router and modem, wait 60 seconds, then power the Ps5. If you have an Ethernet cable, plug it in now because wired links isolate Wi-Fi issues quickly. If you plan to use static settings, have the IP, gateway, DNS, and subnet ready. Once done, go to Settings Network to begin configuring. This ensures you're changing live settings on a stable connection. You'll now walk through the actual configuration steps. Pick LAN if wired or Wi-Fi and select your SSID. Choose Custom to control IP settings. Set static IP if port forwarding or remote play requires it, otherwise keep DHCP. Manually enter DNS for faster resolution. Try 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. And set MTU to 1473 if you have fragmentation issues. Once configured, run test internet connection so you can confirm IP assignment, NAT type, and real speeds before moving on. Finish by ensuring NAT type is open or moderate. Enable UPnP on the router or forward required Ps5 ports if necessary, and avoid double NAT by setting the console in the router's DMZ only as a last resort. Update Ps5 system software, then reboot the console and router together to apply changes. If problems persist, try another Ethernet cable, confirm no ISB outages, and copy any error codes you see so you can search targeted fixes or contact support. This approach isolates causes and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.